What happens when you eat chia seeds every day? Although chia seeds might look tiny, they have the health benefits more than you can imagine. Aztec and Mayans are considered to be the first ones to outline the importance of chia seeds first. They have the ability to boost weight loss, stabilize blood sugar, keep your heart healthy, and keep you hydrated the whole day. Not only that, but these tiny seeds are packed with vital nutrients required for your body. Due to their neutral flavor, they can be used with any recipe of your choice. Due to the huge benefits of chia seeds, they are being recognized as a superfood by the modern world. So, in this video, we are going to show you what happens when you eat chia seeds every day. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Number 1. They help stimulate weight loss. Chia seeds have been found to contain high amounts of soluble fiber. This characteristic of chia seeds enables them to absorb around 10 to 12 times water as compared to their weight. When they absorb water, they increase in size and assume gel-like consistency. Another factor contributing to weight loss is the presence of protein in chia seeds. Protein intake has been shown to decrease appetite. This makes you feel satiated and you can live longer without having to eat. Therefore, when you eat chia seeds every day in conjunction with other protein-rich foods, it helps in decreasing appetite and stimulates weight loss. Number 2. They keep you hydrated. Everybody knows the importance of water. It's not only a mandatory drink for survival, but also keeps you hydrated by facilitating the flow of blood in your arteries and thereby keeping the blood pressure normal. A routine involving strenuous physical exercise or working in hot and humid weather causes a lack of water due to sweating and consequently causes dehydration. We have already shown you that chia seeds are known for their extraordinary capability to absorb water. This feature makes them one of the best options to keep yourself hydrated, especially in hot and humid weather conditions. Therefore, chia seeds may also be considered a ready-made source of water for your body. Number 3. They slow down aging. Another shining aspect of chia seeds is that they contain a high amount of antioxidants. Antioxidants are known to protect the body from various diseases and cell damage. Being high in antioxidants, chia seeds help to slow down the aging process and prevent the production of tumors. Not only this, but vitamin E present in chia seeds also contributes to repairing the skin faster as well as protecting it from further damage. So, you may also want to consider chia seeds if you want fresh, vibrant, and wonderful skin. Number 4. They can enhance your energy levels. Chia seeds have a pretty high amount of vitamin B, zinc, iron, and magnesium. The presence of these elements in the body is known to improve your energy levels and helps you stay active and energetic. You can add these seeds to the smoothie of your choice for an instant and long-lasting boost. Number 5. They help in sustaining heart health. Chia seeds are known to contain omega-3s and omega-6 fatty acids. These are healthy unsaturated fats and help keep our immune system healthy in addition to lowering the risk of cardiac diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids are also known to reduce inflammation and lowering harmful cholesterol levels in the body. All of these useful features of chia seeds help to lower the risk of developing heart disease and keep your heart healthy. Number 6. They help improve sleep. There are 2 hormones that are considered responsible for good sleep, serotonin and melatonin. Tryptophan is an amino acid that is known to produce or stimulate these hormones. And guess what? Chia seeds also contain tryptophan. Therefore, when you eat chia seeds every day or include them in your daily diet, you are likely to have better sleep and relaxation. Number 7. They boost metabolism. Healthy digestion and good metabolism are the keys to a healthy weight. A fiber-rich diet helps improve metabolism. Studies show that chia seeds have pretty much amount of fiber and fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin B and omega-6. Another factor worth considering is that chia seeds tend to become a gel when they come in contact with water. Therefore, consuming chia seeds with water in the early morning may improve bowel movement and consequently improve digestion. Number 8. They help prevent constipation. The previous point brings us to the deduction that chia seeds may also help prevent constipation. Of course, the presence of rich fiber content in chia seeds contributes to improving digestion, thereby reducing the chances of constipation. Number 9. They may reduce the risk of diabetes. Our body naturally produces insulin to facilitate the absorption of sugar into the liver. Lack of this hormone tends to increase the sugar levels in the body, thereby causing diabetes. Modern research shows that chia seeds may also have the ability to enhance insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels. The presence of unsaturated fats, fiber, and protein in chia seeds are also known to be the factors behind the regulation of sugar levels in the body, according to some studies. So, we can say that consuming chia seeds every day may also reduce the risk of developing diabetes. Number 10. They can keep your teeth healthy. Wonder how these tiny seeds might help keep your teeth healthy? Here is the reason. Calcium is the main constituent of bones and teeth. Studies show that chia seeds contain around 18% of the daily recommended intake of calcium in a single ounce. Moreover, the presence of phosphorus, magnesium, and protein in chia seeds may also help in the growth of strong teeth. Number 11. They promote better bone health. Since chia seeds have been found to be rich in calcium, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus, they might also help improve bone health. Therefore, chia seeds may also be considered as an alternate calcium source for those who can't eat dairy or protein on a regular basis. Number 12. They can reduce inflammation. High levels of inflammation are considered to be one of the most common reasons behind several diseases in the body. In fact, inflammation itself is not a bad thing. This process is known for fighting disease-causing agents like bacteria, viruses, etc. Sometimes, due to some defect, this autoimmunity system keeps working, even when no pathogen is present, like type 1 diabetes and arthritis. This can cause many other serious issues and diseases in the body. This is where an anti-inflammatory diet containing chia seeds comes into consideration. Chia seeds, being a carrier of high amount of omega-3 fatty acids, tend to reduce inflammation in the body. Thus, chia seeds can be considered for both reducing inflammations and keeping the immune system healthy. So, these are some of the numerous benefits that you can avail of by consuming chia seeds every day. You can add them to your porridge or smoothies, or you can mix and have them with water. If you have any questions or comments regarding chia seeds, do let us know in the comments section below. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.